Take a moment to check out the 2017 Subaru Outback. With less than 80,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Here's a sure-footed Outback that delivers versatility, comfort, and peace of mind. The sky's the limit on every adventure in this down-to-earth companion. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: navigation system, keyless entry, moonroof, satellite radio, premium sound system, power liftgate, backup camera, fog lamps, heated mirrors, heated front seat. Indulge your adventurous side in this well-equipped Outback. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.